we'll be making earmuffs. These are so cute. I really wanted to make them, but I didn't want to like sew anything, so I was like, wait, I can just felt it. Okay, let's get started. Get your base color wool and form a rough heart shape. Don't worry if it's not perfect because we'll be shaping it later. I started off using a very thin needle, but I found out that the thicker one actually works a lot quicker. I ended up just using both at the same time. So put on your favorite show or YouTube video and needle felt away because this will take a while. Now that you have the base ready, we'll be adding some volume. I felted these two balls separately and added on top of the base to add some volume, and I'm just needle felting here to merge the two shapes. Now that you have two hearts made, we'll be adding the rim. Please don't skip this part because the rim will make sure the earmuff fits snug on your ear. I'm using a different color wool, twisting it and felting it first before adding it to the heart. Please be careful with your needles. I just broke two needles, and yeah, so I have to go get more. Yeah, just be careful because sometimes it'll get stuck in here and then it's a little bit hard to find. Like just now I was like, where is it? And then it kind of poked me. But I used a tweezer to get it out. Whew. We're almost there. I think it's trending, but I saw a lot of crocheted earmuffs that were super cute. And I was like, wait, maybe I should make this into a crocheted earmuff. Like the straps can be crocheted. Oh, this one is so big. I just stuck one ear on. Kind of want to measure where you want to start gluing, but it's always good to try on one ear first. After you hot glue gun the headband, we'll be using a small piece of wool to hide the glued area. I just changed even though it's really warm in Taiwan today. But I hope you like this tutorial and let me know if you make it. Tag me if you make it. And yeah, I'm gonna go get lunch because I'm so hungry. Bye!